I still remember we are running with LASSO and regression. Okay, I will give us one small recap. Then we can continue today's session actually. Okay. Running notes number 126 and continuation. After this, I will start one project actually, ML project. Either a database or can I start project? Project I will start ECOMVISION. Database I know the order. Don't worry. I will cover what I promised actually. Please. Uh, all right. Let's move on. Model deployment actually. Okay. So fine then. Let me cover the model deployment. Yeah. I'm talking about upcoming topics, sir. Still lasso regression only. I'm talking about. I'm changing the heading. Why? Because this we are going to close today. Continuation topic I'm talking actually. Okay. And this one, let us make it. Okay. All right. Let's move on. Yeah. Welcome back. Daniel, why lasso regression and ridge regression came? Let me explain about the background details. These background details you have to be understand very clearly. Background details. Yeah. First we have to understand about overfitting. What you need to understand? Overfitting. Solution for overfitting is a solution for overfitting is lasso and what exactly? Ridge regression. Why overfitting? Why overfitting actually? There are many reasons, but anyway, so I mean to say more dimensions, more what exactly? Dimensions actually. The next one, having missing values, and these are all, you didn't handle missing values properly. Would have a other discussion. Would have what exactly, sir? Other discussion. First one, overfitting. The next one, why? Overfitting actually, sorry. Overfitting. And Daniel, what is the solution actually? Right. How? Lasso and what exactly ridge regressions are fixing the issue. Ridge regressions are what exactly fixing the issue actually. How it is being getting fixing. So simple. There is a small, so there is small change. There is a small change in loss function. What function, sir? Loss function. Lasso regression. What kind of change, sir? Some of the chapter absolute, I guess absolute. Yeah. Absolute coefficient values actually. Coefficient values and ridge regression. That's it. During interview, if you're able to talk like this, actually, they will get an idea. Coefficient actually. For your kind information. Don't think like lasso and ridge only for regression. It is for classification also. It is for what? Classification, right? Now, let me confirm. Go to the chart GPT. So lasso and ridge for classification. Lasso and what exactly, sir? Ridge for what exactly? Classification. Python code actually. Python what exactly code? Maybe we are going to see today. Good. Logistic regression. Can you tell me penalty equals to what exactly? L1 means lasso regression. What is that? This is the confirmation, right? Regression, it is not only for, uh, yeah. Lasso and ridge, not only for regression. Lasso. So this is the new point. Let me just try to tell. Today's session I'm going to continue actually, right? Let me continue today's session. Whenever you're talking about the lasso and ridge regression, ridge regression actually. Sir, this you can apply on regression models actually, and this you can apply on what exactly chaptara? Classification models. What you can apply? Classification. Classification. You can apply in both scenarios actually. You'll get an idea. Okay. We are good to go. Let's move on. Okay. Hold on. Let me continue. I'm sure you understand about the background details. Oh, I forget the data set. So I got a mail, some Supreme ma'am, I guess actually. I'm sorry, boss. I can upload today. I got a message. Okay. With your kind permission, I will run this example quickly so that we can move on actually. Is it okay for you? Yeah, let me just try to run this example quickly so that you will get an idea. Let me run this. You are importing the required things actually. They're still okay. NumPy and pandas you're importing. And the next one would be you're importing. Yeah, good. So ignore the warnings. Now loading the data set, sir. Next one, any idea? Data. We are preparing the data. I'm sure you know what I'm doing, I guess. Loading the data set. These are all required columns. Daniel, how to know? As I told you yesterday, company, they will recruit the domain experts. They will recruit domain experts. That is a one way. If it is a small scale company, you have to take initiation. Imagine you joined in one company. They have given data science project. But even previously, you don't have experience on the domain. Let me tell you, airlines domain. What domain? Airlines domain. Then company knows you don't know airlines domain. Company will give 1 KT. And they will ask you, you can just have to search your network. If anyone knows, sir, nowadays, use ChatGPT. Use what? Frankly speaking, the best. Instead of, calling your friends, do you know that this airlines domain? No. You don't know the power of ChatGPT. Actually, use ChatGPT effectively. Trust me, your task 99% will be done by ChatGPT. Just 1% you have to add. That's it, actually. Frankly speaking, right? Even if you're asking ChatGPT, I joined in so and so. Prompting matter. What matter? You have to ask in such a way that it will respond, actually. Okay. Required columns. Daniel, by using these required columns, we are, again reinitializing the data frame. And there are few columns we are having the missing value. We are handling with what exactly, sir? 0. And even this we are filling with what exactly, sir? 0. Can I move on? Fill in here. Columns to fill with the 0. Columns to fill with what exactly, sir? 0. Yeah, there are two columns we are filling with the mean. There are two columns we are filling with what exactly, sir? Mean actually. All right, then. The next one. Still we have some missing value. We are just trying to filling with the, so we are dropping actually. Good. So there are some categorical data. There are some categorical data. And can you please make a note on this one? We are applying what exactly, sir? Get dummies actually. Whenever you're learning the topic, slowly by slowly, imagine one time you done practice, second time you done practice, third time, start thinking about the code actually. Any idea what is this one? We are converting categorical data into numerical data. Sir, there are two ways. In pandas also we have a functionality. In scikit-learn, one hot encoder is the class actually. Did you remember? When to go for what? Do little R&D. Use short GPT. When should I go for get underscore dummies? When should I go for one hot encoder? Did you remember? Yeah, do little R&D actually. You'll get an idea. It's not only you're listening and you're moving on and practicing. Sometimes, just try to take a pause, stop and think actually. We are creating the model, Daniel. Yeah, we are creating the model. I would like to say model creation is done. Now, after model creation, the next step is so-called as a model training. Checking the model score. Training dataset score. The next one. Testing. Dataset score. Perfect. It's a, did I miss anything? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good man. During training, what is the score? 68. During testing, what is the score? Best example for overfitting. Model got overfit actually. Model got what exactly overfit. Daniel, how to fix this one? Chapman sir. You need to apply lasso regression and ridge regression. What algorithm you have applied actually? You have applied linear regression. What you applied actually? Linear regression. Now, let us just have to change that linear regression. Yeah. If training score is very good and testing score is very less, then it is so called as a overfitting issue actually. Now lasso regression. Sir, simple. You talk with me. Lasso regression means don't think too much. Any idea? Class. How can you say? Capital letter. Good. Import that class. This is the algorithm. Instead of linear regression, just to change the algorithm actually. You can go for lasso regression. What regression? But there are some keyword arguments you have to apply. That keyword arguments would be, yeah, good. So make a note on this one. We are, as usual, till here it is a common actually. We are importing the required libraries. In the given required libraries, this one is a new class. NumPy and pandas, why we are importing warnings also, and loading the dataset. We are loading the dataset, and required columns we are just trying to taking. With that required columns, we are processing. Completely, this is called as a data processing. This is called as what exactly, sir? Data processing actually. Now, where are all some missing values would you have you're dropping? Why red color? Keyword. Can I give lowercase actually? No. Can I give one? Can I give one? Yeah, very good. Nice. Data set equals to, yeah, we are doing data preparation, we are doing here. Model training, I'm sorry, splitting the data set. What is the ratio? 70-30. What is the ratio? 70-30. What is the random underscore state? Why this? Only one time shuffle. Remain times, remaining, you don't want to stop like, good. Look at my screen. Yeah, Daniel, we need to create an object for the lasso. We need to create object for what exactly? Lasso. Alpha equals to 50. Okay. There are some keyword arguments you are passing alpha. This is something like a, did you remember hyperparameter tuning technique? So during SVM, you used to pass C value, kernel value, something like that, right? These takes care actually, right? You can try with 60, 70, 100. These are all maximum iterations. How many? You can try with 120 or 150. Learning rate total equals to 0.1 actually. These are all you need to pass. Sir, simple. I'm not doing anything. Just I have changed actually. Let me rerun. Can I do one thing? So this is a confirmation. You will get an idea. Sorry, man. Really very nice, sir. See, previously 68, 13. Now 67. What is the testing score? 66. First of all, no overfitting. Model is not getting what exactly overfitting. Now, what you done actually, just you change the model. I mean to say, this lasso regression will involve backend cost function. It will direct in such a way that it will understand. It will already done the prediction for how the value, how the model is going to doing overfitting actually. It takes care. Alpha, one of the, I mean to say, hyperparameter tuning technique, max underscore iterations. You can just try to give it 150 and you can check actually. 160 and you can check it. That R&D you need to do. What is this alpha? What is this maximum iterations? You can check in a documentation also. Yeah, this one also almost. They do have a some. There is some little changes actually. Some little change. Chappan sir. Ah, decision tree regressor almost belongs to the linear regression. You will get the same issue. You can try. You will get an idea. Okay. Yeah, good. So I'm sure. Let's take this example. You can just try to understand. We are fixing overfitting by using lasso regression. Sir, same story. The next one will be a ridge regression. What is the next one? A ridge regression. Same story. Same story in the sense you need to walk through this theory. Just this one is important. Some of the squared coefficient values actually. Why ridge regression came? What is the issue? Coefficients can be too large value, like a previous theory actually. Okay. Now, any idea what is a ridge? Class. That's it. Hope you understand. I'm sorry. Come again. Lasso is the better, sir. There are some, good hyperparameters with the lasso actually. Ridge very rare. Ridge very rare actually. Which one, sir? This one is called as a learning rate. Learning rate in the sense, I hope best example, whenever the error value is changing, it is not like a too drastic actually. Based on this 0.01, 0.02, slowly by slowly, it will be changed actually. That's what it is going to happen. This one will be somewhat good, 66, and here also what exactly, sir? 66. Take this example. Do little R&D, sir. Fixing, what exactly, no, sir? Fixing, overfitting now by using ridge regression. Come again. Generally, there is a solution for overfitting, but when it comes to underfitting, actually, there is a issue with the data. That issue we need to fix actually. I will show one scenario also. Imagine if a model is, best example, if a model is underfit in the sense, training score also less, testing score also is less. Data is not a proper. Otherwise, there is no relation in between features and target actually. And we have to, there is no relevant features in between. Okay. Yeah, I will take one example, sir. I can even explain. We can do, sir. There is a lot we can do actually. So I understand your question. Like, Daniel, why only 66 actually? The threshold score can be more than 80 plus. We can increase. And still we need to check the which feature is real impacting. And there are some features you can apply. What you can apply, normalization, standardization, minimum value and maximum value. You can keep in between 0 to 1. Model works very well. Model works well. There is a lot we can do. Okay. So ridge regression, we done this. That's what it is, very easy actually. Okay. Now, 1 minute. One student asked one question. It was a long back question actually. One student asked one question. Hey Daniel, I need unique profile or resume. Unique profile or what exactly, sir? Resume. One student asked. Let me explain first of all what is unique actually. What is unique? Why it is so called as a unique actually? What is unique? Let me explain about my story. You will get a laugh. You will get a fun actually. Let me tell you. In the year of 2011, I done my graduation in the year of 2010, but immediately I didn't started giving interview. On an average, I learned the course and I started giving interview almost 2011 as a fresher actually. Now I need a resume. I need what exactly, sir? A resume actually. Did I explain this one with you? No. Okay. I need a resume. Then I called one of my friend and I asked her, share your profile. I have some requirement, so share your resume actually. I asked actually. I got a resume from my friend. I got resume from what exactly, sir? My friend actually. Once I get a resume, my plan will be, I would like to update his resume like my resume actually. Mostly what I changed, any idea? Em changes name. The next one, mail ID. The next one, educate. Yeah, very good. Mobile number actually, so phone number I have changed. The next one, education details. Academic details actually. Academic what exactly? Details. Frankly speaking, this resume is called as a duplicate resume. What resume? Apart from that, I didn't change anything. Same project, same discussion, same role, same discussion, same object, everything actually. Frankly speaking, this is not a good discussion. This is not a not a good decision. It's not a fair actually. Why? Because those days I don't know how to prepare my resume. But today, let me tell you, do you want unique profile actually? Can I tell you, I'm sure this kind of explanation you never ever heard anywhere else actually. Let me tell you. Sir, unique profile or not will be what exactly decided by project discussion. Actually, your project abstract, roles and responsible. Project is really important in your resume. Really important. Of course, roles and responsibility you can get from ChatGPT also, everywhere else actually. Right. Good. Daniel, if you are looking for unique resume means unique project. Chapter sir, how to get unique project? How to get what exactly unique project actually? There are many ways. The first one, if you are really comfortable with the Kaggle, You can just have to create a unique project. You can create a unique project actually. Unique project from Kaggle. That's still possible. Next topic is what exactly, sir? What exactly, the next topic will be from research paper. Chaptara from, yeah, research paper actually. Research papers, you can create a project. Okay. Is it possible? Let me show you one example. I will explain what do you mean by research paper. Maybe one day I will take one session. Who are all studying PhD? They need to create a research paper, especially ML research paper. What paper, sir? ML research papers actually. There are some websites. Let me show you that. Go to the Google. You can just have to type here. Machine learning research papers. Yeah. Did you notice? Machine learning research papers. Just try to follow the discussion. No, I don't want the first website and second one. I don't like it. Third one. Yeah. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this. Website name started with A letter. Started with A letter. Click on this. Very good. You will get this website actually. If you want to hold on, you can just have to click on this. Yeah. Online team, let me share with you. I'm explaining how to prepare your unique profile. But anyway, I will help you. Anyway, I will help you actually. Yeah, good. Sir, this one is one of the top university. This company, I mean, this university especially focus on research paper, research. Kind of some PhD guys actually. If anyone uploaded any paper here actually, he is having a good knowledge in terms of that. Here you can find out physics research papers. The next one, Chapan sir, maths. The next one, computer science. These are all things actually, right? Anyway, our role will be machine learning. Control F, machine learning, Control 0. Sir, my system got Control 0. Yeah, good. And here Control F. You can just try to search for machine learning. Okay. I will upload, sir. Resume format I will upload actually. Please be patient. See. Yeah. Wow. The moment whenever you are searching machine learning, computer science, here is the one word actually. At the same time, under statistics also one more word. You have to search like this. Click on this. Once you click on this one, here you can find the papers man. Here you can find what exactly? Papers actually, right? Maybe today, what is the date actually? 13. Somebody created a one machine learning paper today, research paper. First of all, I will tell you. Good, make a note on this one. Total 764 entries. What is the entry? I will talk with you. Showing first to 50 of 259 entries. Okay, let me tell you. There are paper number 1, paper number 2, paper number 3. Each one is called as entry number 1, entry number 2, entry number 3. Like the total, how many? 50 entries. You can, if you want, you can scroll down like this. Actually, 50 entries you can see. I mean to say 50 ml papers in single window. Like that, total how many papers you know, sir? Chaptara? 50 into 2, 69. 1, 2, 59. Sir, around some 12,000 papers actually. Oh my God. How many papers? 12,000 papers actually. Okay, hold on. You do one thing. Take the today first paper and you can just have to click on this one, and here you can click on actually. Click on this one. It will give some theory. Hold on, I will tell you. I will take one paper and I will explain how to explain later actually. This is some paper, theoretical framework for explaining. What is the topic names? What is the subject actually? We need that one only. We need machine learning. Do one thing. Take this one, copy paste. Completely, sir, theoretical words. I'm sorry, technical words. You can ask to ChatGPT. Explain this paper in a simple word. Explain this paper in what exactly? Simple word actually. Simple words. We have taken that paper and we are asking. In a olden days, understanding research paper is too difficult. But nowadays, because of ChatGPT, it is explaining very nicely. In a simple words. In simple words, it is explaining. You can walk through the theory. What is a problem statement? What is a solution? These are all things it will explain actually. And you can ask, give me the solution for code. Give me solution code for this paper. for this what exactly paper. 60% of the 60 to 70% of the valid code it will give actually. Yes, see, it is going to give. I'm sure I can give guarantee. It is giving some discussion. Perfect. It is explaining the code also. Good. So till now what I done, we have taken the paper from research papers actually, copy pasted in ChatGPT, and we are asking, explain this. And if you want, you can ask more also, explain in a easy terminology. Explain what is the real problem in an easy way. It will explain. You can ask, give me some example also. At last, take same paper and give abstract to add in my resume actually. Did you understand, sir? This is the best way. You can take this one actually. You can include in your resume, sir. The one who is taking interview, he also don't know this paper actually. That's the. Are you with me? I mean, whenever you are adding anything, ela undali ante, the one who is reading, he need to feel this is real project. Are you with me or not? This is the best way, man. Generally, if anyone is need unique resume, I will prepare like this only. I will prepare like, but see, this is the project, right? You need to spend some time. Sir, for learning Python, you guys spend almost more than some, 20 days actually. This is the resume discussion, right? Project discussion, right? You need to spend some time, on an average 2 to 3 days, understand the paper. I will explain one paper how to understand actually. Take one paper. Do you want linear regression research paper actually? Papers would you have? Do you want logistic regression papers would you have actually? Papers would you have actually? You can take 1 or 2 papers, combine it, create a project, create an object, include in your resume, unique resume actually. That's the best way. When I was explaining this one to the student, he told actually, I never heard this kind of, yeah, did you heard anywhere? No. This is the best way. This is the one of the website. Then let me tell you one more website would you have, but this is the best actually. This one is the best website. One more, I know 2 to 3 papers with code. Papers with code. This one also one of the best website, man. It kuda manchide actual ga. This is completely data science related stuff actually. Right. Right, machine learning components actually. Here you can see, but one day I will explain these are all things actually. All right. Maybe I hope you understand actually. Can I get a response? Did you understand? Yeah, like that, sir. Like that. Now itself, slowly by slowly, you need to start. I will help you how to prepare your profile actually. In your profile also, you need to focus actually. Online team, did you understand, sir? I need one response from anybody. This is the best way. Trust me, this is the best way. But you need to spend some time. It's not that much easy. You need to spend some time. Konjam time spend cheyali. Jayesh sir, I will upload, sir. Okay. Anyway, research paper. That website name I need to. Ayyo. I closed this. Just now I have opened. Just now I have opened website, right? There are 2 tabs I have opened. No, I have closed immediately. Hold on. I'm not sure whether you know shortcut or not. I wanted to open the previous windows actually. Control J. I'm sorry, sir. Control Shift. One minute. Control Shift. All right. Anyway, so I'm not sure, but I still remember actually. But anyway, let me just have to move on this one, move on this one. These 2 websites, let me include actually. I'm sorry for my overaction actually. Let's take this. Research paper websites. Can I include here? It might be helpful for you. Make help అవుతుంది actually. ML research papers. Control Shift T. Research papers actually. Can I directly hits that tab actually? This one is a whole paper, but you have to go for only machine learning, right? Click on this, and this one is a paper. CS, computer science actually. Perfect. And paper websites. One more website, you can click on this on here. Perfect, sir. Then let's move on actually. Let's move on. You will get an idea. Did you understand? Yeah, good. Let's move on then. We done this lasso regression and ridge regression also. Upcoming topic. Let me cover. There are some projects actually. You will get an idea. First one, ECOMVISION project. What project, man? ECOMVISION project. That one is a running topic actually. The next one. What is the next one? You know, purchase intention model. Purchase. All right, let me close these are all. Yeah, let's continue. Can you tell me what is the project name? Ecom Vision. Let me just try to take this, and here I can create a one folder. Folder name is called as a project. Project. Please, I have to prepare this. Go for here and Daniel material projects. Let's take ECOMVISION 1. Please, I need your attention actually. First of all, the project name is ECOMVISION. Ecom means e-commerce. Ecom means what exactly, sir? The full form will be Daniel. What is the ECOMVISION actually? ECOMVISION. ECOMVISION means e-commerce vision. You can take any e-commerce company vision actually. What is their e-commerce vision company actually? They wanted to increase the sales. What is their vision, sir? Increase. That's it actually. They want more sales. More sales, more business. More sales, more. That's it actually. Good. Now, team, from this project, what you are going to understand, you are going to understand about the project structure first actually. From this project, you will learn structure, the project structure actually. You should know how the project structure, these are all things you should ever actually. I will explain step by step. Get ready to understand. Now, you can just hit open project. Can you tell me what is the folder name actually? ECOMVISION. Important. There are some rules, let me tell you. In a real time, whenever you are creating a project, already the project is already created by lead actually. Otherwise, if you want to create your own project actually, all are lowercase only. All are lowercase only. Project name is something like a package name. Project name is something like what exactly? Package name. That's it. Did you understand PyCharm actually? PyCharm. Yeah, same thing. In PyCharm, all are lowercase. And you should not give any space. You should not give any extra symbols you should not give actually. Okay? Yeah. Let's open ECOMVISION 1. Sir, the moment once I open ECOMVISION 1, I'm sure here you're able to see what you guys are able to see here actually. There is a folder name is a SRC. The next one, read requirement. Okay, you can just have to come here, SRC. The next one, read.md file actually. The next one, requirements.txt. Did I cover requirements.txt? I understand. I will cover now. Don't worry. First, let me explain about this file actually. This file. Either requirement or requirements, that's still okay. Let me tell you. Requirement.txt is a text file. This is text file. This is what exactly, sir? Text file actually. Hey Daniel, what is the main purpose of this one? By using this, we can install all project libraries, all data science and AI libraries in one shot actually. I will tell you how to do that. I will tell you. Till now, what process we followed actually? Till now, we done. If you wanted to install pandas, actually pip install pandas. The next one, pip install what exactly? Matplotlib. Matplot what exactly? Lib actually. Or any idea? Pip install. Next one. Yes, space matplotlib. This approach we followed. But in real time, we are not following this approach actually. If you should know this approach first, then you should know the real time. But in real time, what we are doing, sir, we are using requirements.txt to install all libraries. Okay. To install all libraries actually. To install what exactly mean? All libs actually. All libs. Let me tell you how to do that. Get ready to understand. We'll do one thing. Here I will create one requirement.txt file. But before that, can I uninstall pandas and matplotlib actually? I would like to show you. Is it okay for you? Let me just try to uninstall. Yeah, we can do. I will tell you virtual environment later. I like this setup actually. I mean to say, standing position. Sir, when the teaching will be effective, trainer is supposed to be standard. Of course, he will get leg pains. These are all secondary actually. Why? Because that delivery is different. That body language is different. If anyone is sitting and delivery, I'm sorry, the delivery will not come from, effectively actually. Make a note on this one. Teaching, there are some techniques. Ayo, why it is taking long time? Anyway, meanwhile, let me just try to do one thing. Sir, open a notepad, please. Look at my screen, everybody. I'm opening the notepad. I have opened the notepad. Specify untitled actually. You can specify. What is the first package name? Chapani? Pandas. And what is the second package name? Matplotlib. Matplotlib actually. Matplotlib. Do we need NumPy? Yeah. Good. Control S. Just try to control S. Requirement. S or don't provide the extension. Why? Because by default, what is extension? Text only, right? Go to the desktop and go to the coding and you can just try to save this one. Wow. Successfully, Daniel. Requirements file is ready. What is ready? requirements file is ready. Now you need to run this file to install all these libraries. We need to run what exactly, sir? This file to install all libraries. How to install? Go to the specific location. Okay, you can just have to come here, sir. Now let me run actually. Pip install -r requirements actually. -r in the sense recursively, mean to say one by one. Yeah, just try to press enter button. In real time, yeah, see, did you notice it is being getting installing? In real time, we can install all, see, imagine if we configure in a file actually, best example, project started, suddenly the time is 1:30. Lead, he went for lunch. He given the code actually. But you no need to ask to the lead, Anna, what are libraries you have installed actually. What we need to do? Open. That's it actually. That's the beauty. I mean to say, for project, what are libraries are required actually, open requirements.txt. Best example, if it is a gated community, think like, on an average, there is a kind of some house gated community. Let me tell you, there are 2 to 3 apartments. Every apartment having that 10 houses. Every apartment having what exactly? 10 houses. Before entering into that houses, in that security guard, they will specify, sir, first room, first person, second room owner, third room owner. I mean, that is the requirements. That is what? So if you, best example, there is a order, Amazon order actually. Yeah, tell me, what is the address actually? So-and-so building, so-and-so person, these are all things. That is nothing but a requirement. What is your requirement, your project actually? That you can install by using this one. Sir, can I tell you? Here, you can specify version number also. Okay, version number also can specify like this actually. Possible. Are you with me or not, sir? If you wanted to install the specific library, sir, pandas or tandas actually? Pandas actually. It's not a tandas, right? Yeah, good. So, చెప్పండి సార్ ఈ వర్షన్. Okay. Best example. Imagine, good question, sir. Whenever you are working with 3.13, TensorFlow is not working. What is not working? TensorFlow is not working actually. Our lead take care. Our lead, whenever he is creating, specifically he will check, please install only 3.11 version only. For this one, you can just have to go for TensorFlow. Anyway, the TensorFlow current version would be fine actually. And you can just have to, if you wanted to install specific version, you can go for to install. And the next one will be pandas actually. Pandas equals to 2.1 and numpy equals to, like that you can specify. Yeah, he will specify. Imagine the lead, he will specify actually. He will tell which version is really matter actually. If you're not using the specific version, you will get a compatible issue. What issue? Compatible. What do you mean by compatible? Your Python is 3.13. You're trying to installing TensorFlow, you may get some issues. That is so called as a compatible issues. Atla manam compatible issues antam. Okay. Yeah, good. Let's move on. Online team, can I talk with you? Are you following? I need one response from anybody. Yeah, thank you. Let's move on then. I'm sure we guys successfully installed requirements.txt file, right? Now, yeah, we understand. Yeah, I'm sorry. That's what I'm telling, sir. Supreme M Garu. Whatever we wanted to install, we can add all these in. That's what actually we are going to discuss. Whenever you are working in a real-time project, all libraries are available. Here you need to install. First one is a matplotlib. The next one is what exactly? Seaborn actually. The next one is scikit-learn actually. What exactly, sir? Scikit-learn. The next one TensorFlow. Next one is what exactly? TensorFlow. These are all things we have to install. The name should be match actually, right? Like all these. Yeah, exactly. You're right. I'm sure you understand, I guess. Supreme ma'am, did you understand? Yeah. Here. The two line by line only. First one, second one, third one. Name should be match. Name should be match. Yeah. Imagine already installed. If you wanted to run this one, requirement already satisfied. Requirement is already set. Can I run this one? Pip install -R in the sense recursively, one by one it will install actually. See, it is loaded. I am sure these are all pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, scikit-learn, tensorflow. These are all being getting done actually. I mean, it is already available. Already available. Yeah, this is the way we can do actually. I'm pretty sure you got a connectivity. That is called as a requirement. I'm sure I no need to explain about the requirement. Next one. One more file which is so called as a read file. What file? I can talk this one later. Read is a file, especially if you are aware about the Git repo. Inside that read, what exactly you're doing, you need to specify. What is the main motto for project? What you're doing, so how you're doing. These are all things you can available here actually. Okay. Yeah, please. Now, sir, I have a question. If you open ECOMVISION 1, get ready. If you open ECOMVISION 1 actually, steps to be followed. ECOMVISION 1. Upcoming project ECOMVISION 2. Next one ECOMVISION 3. Till 10 versions I do have. 5 versions I will explain. Remaining 5 versions is assignment for all other batches actually. What is the first one? SRC. The next one read.md. Read.md. The next one requirement. Requirements.txt. Good. All right, sir, open the SRC. SRC is a folder. Okay, quite interesting. Inside SRC, you can see one Python program. That program name is a run_ecom. This is the main file. This is what? Main file. And you can see one more folder. Folder name is called as a ecom actually. Run_ecom. You can just have to observe here. Run_ecom.py. And what is the next one? You know, sir, chapter ecom. There is one folder. Folder name is called as a ecom actually. Okay, ecom folder. Come on, during interview, definitely they will ask, tell me about your project structure. Then you need to explain about this one actually. In my project, so we have a ecom folder, run_ecom, which is called as a main file, requirement file. When you're talking like this, that guy will understand he worked in real time actually. Now, though this one is again folder, right? You can just have to open that folder and cross verify what it contains actually. What it contains. Once you open ecom, you can find, wow, there is one folder. What is that? Let me ask you one question. Can you tell me what is this? Ecom. Chappan sir. Ecom. Okay. Ecom actual. What is this one? SRC. Inside SRC, there is one Python program. There is a folder. Open ecom. Inside ecom, there is one folder. There is one special module. Can you remember what is this so called as? Excellent. Very good. Conclusion of the story. Inside where I covered, 1947 I covered actually. Even that day I promised, sir, I will stand on my promise. That day I told, sir, don't worry, INIT file. One day I will cover. Today is the day. One day I will cover. Instead of that one, you can write some code actually. What code you can write? If you know Python, you never ever see this kind of code actually. I'm sure you will get an idea. Come on. Chappan sir, what is the first one? Utilities. The next one? Yeah, __init __.py. Very good. Then what is the pending one, chapter? Utilities. Conclusion of the story. Do you think this is the folder? Package. Let's open utilities. Inside utilities actually, wow, there are two files you can see. One is tools.py. Next one is init.py. Okay, Daniel. Tools.py. The next one is what exactly, sir? I'm very good in copy paste. Let me prove practically. First, this is the structure you have to be understand. Okay, this is the structure. First project I have created, understand the structure actually. This structure meeku undipovalante. Project structure. Project structure I have created. Go to the desktop. Yeah. Come on, can we spend a few minutes actually? Can we spend a few minutes? It is taking some little longer time. Focus on this. Come on, sir. ECOMVISION 1. SRC means source code. Am I right? Did I cover that one? SRC. Inside ECOMVISION, read.md file, requirements.txt. Inside SRC, ecom package, you can folder also, run_ecom, Python program. Inside ecom, utilities and special module. Inside utilities, tools, special module. This is the structure you should be aware. This is the structure you need to be follow actually. Okay. Yeah, good. Let me just try to move on. I will tell you. Sir, anyway, this one is a ECOMVISION one. I will do one thing. Being a data scientist, regarding the folder, you no need to be worried actually. What you need to be worried, open the Python file. Open Python file. Open Python file. Total how many Python files? Good. There are 4 modules actually. Let us start cinema from here actually. Go to the project and you can just open ECOMVISION 1 and open SRC and you can just open this one. Okay, just a hello world statement actual. Welcome to the project. I don't want to write anything as of now. Just welcome to the project. In ECOMVISION 2, you can see the actual code actually. You can run this one. You can run this code actually. Project runs successfully. Okay. Now go to the ecom. Init. Very good, sir. Very good. You can write something. What it is, I will explain later. Right? What it is, not only this one, what it is, I will explain later. So and so version, my project version, I would like to specify. Who is the author, I would like to specify. These are all things we can talk later. Utilities. Here, empty. And now, tools. Okay. This one also, what it contain, sir? Welcome to the tools module. How to run this one? Chaptara idella run cheyali. That's it. Perfect. That's it actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Now, hey Daniel, Ecom 1 is a kind of some dummy project to understand the structure. To understand actual code contained by ECOMVISION 2. But when I'm explaining about the ECOMVISION 2, you should not feel burden. What is utilities? What is tools? What is special module? You should not feel burden actually. You have to feel, yeah, I already know this terminology. That's what I wanted to make you to, so comfortable actually. Good. We done about the ECOMVISION 1. Now let us enter into ECOMVISION 2. Let us enter into what exactly, sir? ECOMVISION 2. Online team, are you following, sir? Madam, are you following? ECOMVISION 2. Ah. Yeah, very good. We need to run only main file. That I will tell you. Only main file we need to run actually. Okay. Yeah. Good. Let me just try to take this one, ECOMVISION 2. I'm explaining about the structure. Every time I can write actually so that you will get a more clarity. You will get a more clarity. Good. Are you ready? Let me just try to open. What is that one, sir? Chapani? What I need to open? Yeah, very good. Tell me. Any new surprise? SRC read requirement. Okay. SRC read.md. MD. The next one requirement. Very good. You talk with me. What is the next step actually? Open SRC. Open SRC. Very good. Ecom run_ecom. Okay. Ecom. The next one run_ecom. .py. You should know. Let's open ecom. Guess actually. That's it. See how you know, because of the ecom version 1 actually. Open. You can delete that. We are going to working with the project. Utilities and next one is what exactly, sir? __init__.py. After utilities, can you talk with me? What is the next one? That's it. You need to be understand. Okay. This one will be tools.py. This one will be again __init. Sir, this is not dummy code. I have written some code actually. I'm sure. Get ready to understand. There is some great discussion actually. Are you ready? Good. Let's start actually. Let's start. You'll get a more clarity. Sir, for this project, the main file is called as a run_ecom. Do you want to understand the project? Start learning from here, not from here actually. There is a way you should understand. Once you join in project, you need to ask to your leader, your colleague or your peer, let me know what is the main file. Then your understanding should start from main file. Your understanding should start from main file actually. Why? Because main file contains all other files. Main file contains all other file actually, other packages, other module, these are all things. Then what I need to open, any idea? Good. Here, kind note actually, kind note actually. Kind note would be main file. Main file is, this is main file, sir. This is the main file. Main file. You can just have to take this. You can get an idea. Okay. We are starting. ECOMVISION 2. Are you ready? Good. Wow. There is some code. I will explain from heading slowly by slowly actually. Read the heading without using INT. I mean to say, one more scenario I'm going to explain with using. If here heading is without using INT, upcoming heading is with INT. As of now, I don't want to touch INT special module. Later I can touch actually. Good. Sir, get ready, your learning, it will be really helpful. Any idea what is this? Chappan sir, function. What is that? Function. How can we say? All are lower case. Very good. We are going to create our own function. That too I have created actually. You are able to recognize because of the standards you followed actually. Are you understanding or not, sir? Right. This function, where it is available? Where it is available, you know? Yeah, very good, sir. Ecom, utilities, tools. I have a question for you. What is ecom? Package, main package. Very good. What is utilities? Sub package. What is the tools? Module. Cheppani. Main package, sub package, module, function. That is the order actually. Main package, sub package, module, member of the module. Member, it can be anything, either variable or function or class actually. Yeah, it can be class also. Now, what we need to do? Hey, I wanted to see this function actually. Then what we need to do, sir? Cheppandi. Open tools. Open what exactly? Tools. Good. I will show you how to open. So, fine, you're calling the function. I'm sorry, you're importing the function, then you're calling the function. Sir, by looking at this line, what you're feeling actually? Exactly, man. Now, inside tools, there is a function. Function having the return statement. See, our imagination. Till now, what you learn, it is going to helpful for you actually. That function having the return statement, that's what we are assigning into what exactly? Variable. That too, don't touch the function actually. By looking at the next line, at least you can guess actually what this function is returning. Exactly, sir. Exactly. This function is returning data frame. How can we say you're calling? Head method. You're calling? Such a nice actual. That's what. Understanding. You're understanding actually. Good. Do one thing. Sir, are you following? Yeah, good. Now what we need to do? Go to the load underscore data. I'm sorry. Go to the tools. Check the function. You will get a more clear. Are you ready, sir? Chodani. Very nice. Very nice. Sir, this you need to spend some time. Then only you will understand. You need to spend some time. This is the really good project I have created actually for your better understanding. Go to the utilities. Go to the tools. Very good. Open this. Wow. Get ready to understand, man. I'm importing pandas. Here I have created a function. My function name is called as a load underscore data. Okay. All right. Now this one is a function body actually. And here load underscore data. I'm giving some comments, doc strings. This is also called as a doc string actually. There is a one link. Inside that link, we have a one data set actually. We have one data set. Hold on. Let me take that. Instead of file, client is giving the URL and client is telling go and get the data. Yeah, good. If I hit, if I'm taking that URL, hitting the website, this data set somewhere we have seen. Eppudu chusam manam? Where we have seen? Exactly, sir. What project? EDA project again. The whole, how many rows? Good, very good. Yeah, almost 5,41,000 rows actually. Maybe 5 lakhs, I hope. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Make a note on this one. Now, we are using URL in a string actually. and you are passing the URL here actually, you will get the data frame. This data frame we are returning into the front end actually. Are you with me or not, sir? See, as of now, this one is a public website. We are directly loading the data, sir. I mean, there are many ways to load the data. Even if you walk through, go to the pandas, hitting the website, there are some different ways. But as of now, I'm taking the plain file actually. Plain file. Okay. Yeah, good. Make a note on this one. Any questions here? Good. Imagine this function you are importing here. So function having the return statement in the backend, that's what you are assigning variable actually. Sir, frankly speaking, these are all dots you need to connect one by one actually. Dot number one, dot number two, dot number three, you need to connect slowly by slowly actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. See, then you are calling head method shape columns at. Now which file I need to run, Chapan? Do you think I need to run tools actually? No, here no function calling. Then what I need to run actually? Run underscore ecom. What I need to run? Yeah, get ready, man. If you really understand, you can just have to come here, open ECOMVISION 2, you can just have to open SRC, and here you can run the project. If you're able to run manually like this actually, sir, easy, sir. It is taking some time. Why actually? It is hitting the website. Hitting the website. File is not in local actually. File is in the website, data is in website, hitting the website, getting the data, create a data frame. Yeah. Good. Loading the data. That function is being getting executing. Wow. Perfect, sir. I have a question. Do you think data is in current location actually? No, data is in website. Previously, one student, sir, same example I'm running, I'm not getting output actually. I asked, show me the error actually. I told, sir, internet is required. What is required? Why? Because the data is our web, sir. The data is our what exactly web actually. Please, you have to practice this example manually. Trust me, you will become expert actually. You will become what? Can I ask you one question? A question అడగమంటారు ఇప్పుడు? Good, hold on. Let us touch the code actually. Let us touch the code. Go to the utilities, go to the tools. Sir, here I will write one small function. That function name is so called as a def. Def Daniel. Print here. Hello Daniel. Print. I don't want to print actually. Let me just try to write directly here. Hello Daniel. That's still okay. That's still okay. Print of hello Daniel actually. Then I need your help. I wanted to call this function here actually. Ela call cheyaro cheptara meeru? Come on, can you help me actually? Cheptara sir. Can I call directly Daniel actually? No. What we need to do first? Wow. That's what we need to do. Then what we need to do, sir? Daniel. Perfect. First import the function. Then call the function. Function having return statement actually what I need to do? Yeah, sir. You know, I hope if you really follow my sessions actually, now you can start enjoying the code. Frankly speaking. Frankly speaking. Are you with me or not, sir? Now run the code actually. Run the code. At last we supposed to get Daniel function output actually. Yeah, like that. Take the existing code, do small modification, do your own code actually. Call here, you will get more clarity. You will get what exactly, sir? More clarity actually. 1 minute, sir. చూడండి హలో డానియల్ యాక్చువల్ చెప్పండి కరెక్ట్ సింపుల్ సార్ బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ def m1 function print of I am Daniel. Do you wanted to call here actually? You can call sir m1, that's it actually. Now this Daniel is calling m1 actually, absolutely valid. If you want you can run. Possible flow matters actually. A flow మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటే yeah see hello I'm Daniel, hello Daniel actually. Correct. Repeat your question one more time. Correct. ఇక్కడ కాల్ చేశారా? ఓ నో ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్. వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఇట్స్ ఎ వెరీ సింపుల్ సార్. ఎంత సింపుల్ తెలుసా? ఓకే హోల్డ్ ఆన్. Sir, simple. Follow the rule actually. Wherever you are calling Daniel as a variable. Why? Because that having what exactly? Return statement actually. Then here you can just have to print the D. Print what exactly D actually. Right. Now don't call here. That's still okay. Why? Because you're already calling load underscore data, right? Am I right? Now this function will be triggered this function automatically actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Let me run. I'm sorry, other guys, please hold on. Let me clarify this dot. 100% valid code. No doubt in that. Hello, Daniel. Hmm? You understand, I guess. Can I get a response from you? Did you understand what all I'm talking with you? This project is so called as a, if you practice, then only you will understand. Otherwise, you cannot actually. మీరు practice చేయాలి then. Okay. Fine then. So I will stop today discussion, but tomorrow we are going to discuss more actually. Don't miss tomorrow's session. And I will upload this project immediately. Please do practice. It will be helpful for you. It will be helpful for you. Okay. Now I need to extract this. I need to create a zip file. Only time I request you. I'm having some network issue in this system. I don't know. I'm unable to log in my Gmail. I'm not sure what exactly the issue is actually. I'm not touching anything, but I'm in right window only, right? Come again. Oh, first let me upload here Melbourne dataset. I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you. You please start, let you go, and so please take care and come with practice. This project is really awesome. And ECOMVISION, there are two versions I'm uploading actually, version 1 and version 2. Your practice only really helpful for you. ECOMVISION 1 and 2 versions actually. Let's upload this. Valentin, thank you.